Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy, natural, and real. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. Hello, Sarah. And hello to everyone listening from different countries, different cities, different homes, and different lives around the world.
Alvin, today's episode is not just another lesson. Today, we're not only learning vocabulary, we are not only practicing pronunciation. Today, we are learning something deeper, something more human. We are learning how to talk about your feelings in English.
Feelings? Wow, that already sounds important. Because honestly, grammar is easy compared to feelings.
Exactly. Many learners know hundreds of English words. They know past tense, present tense, future tense. But when someone asks a simple question like, "How are you really feeling today?" they freeze. Their mind becomes silent.
I've experienced that many times. Inside my heart, I feel excited, worried, tired, hopeful, all at once. But what comes out of my mouth is always the same two words. I'm fine.
And those two words become a habit, a safe answer, but also a wall.
A wall.
Yes, because "I'm fine" stops the conversation, but real English, real communication, real connection starts when you express emotion.
So today we're breaking that wall?
Not breaking, opening. By the end of this conversation, you will not only know new feeling words, you will also gain the confidence to use them naturally.
That sounds powerful, but also slightly scary.
It's okay to feel scared. Feelings are personal. But remember, you don't need complicated vocabulary. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need simple, honest words.
I like that. Simple and honest feels easier.
Because English is not about sounding like a dictionary. English is about sounding like yourself. Sarah, let's begin with the most common question in the world. How are you feeling right now?
Right now, I feel curious, a little nervous, but also excited.
Perfect. Notice what Alvin did, listeners. He didn't use one word. He used 3 emotions, and that already sounds natural and real.
Because humans rarely feel only one emotion.
Exactly. You can say, "I feel happy but tired. I feel nervous but hopeful. I feel calm but a little worried." Mixing feelings makes your English sound human.
Sometimes I wake up and I don't even know what I feel.
That happens to everyone. In that case, you can say, "I feel a bit strange today," or "I'm not sure how I feel, but something feels different."
That actually sounds very natural.
Because it is natural, English is not only for perfect moments. English is also for confusion, uncertainty, and mixed emotions. Sarah, let's imagine situations. Alvin, how do you feel before an important exam?
Nervous. My heart beats fast. Sometimes I feel stressed.
Good. Another word is anxious. It means strong nervousness.
And after the exam?
You can say, "I feel relieved." Relieved means the pressure is gone.
I love that word. Relieved feels like breathing again.
Now imagine you meet an old friend after many years.
I would feel happy and nostalgic.
Excellent word. Nostalgic means you miss the past. It's a deep emotional word, but very useful.
And if I meet a new person,
You might feel shy, excited, or curious.
sometimes I feel overwhelmed when too many things happen.
That's a perfect word, overwhelmed. It means your mind is full and heavy.
I also feel frustrated when I try something again and again and it doesn't work.
Exactly. Frustrated is very common and very natural. Sarah, now let's talk about positive emotions. Alvin, when was the last time you felt proud?
When I spoke English with a stranger and they understood me completely.
That's beautiful. Proud is powerful because it shows growth.
I also feel grateful for my family.
Wonderful word, grateful. It shows appreciation and warmth.
What about peaceful moments?
You can say, "I feel calm," "I feel relaxed," "I feel at peace." These words create a soft emotional tone.
And difficult emotions?
You can say, "I feel lonely," "I feel disappointed," "I feel confused." Remember, negative emotions are also important. Expressing them is not weakness, it's honesty.
I'm noticing something interesting. These sentences are short, but they carry strong meaning.
Exactly. Fluency is not about long sentences. Fluency is about clear emotions and confident voice.
So mistakes are okay?
More than okay. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Sarah, let's practice together. Listeners, repeat silently or out loud. I feel excited today. I feel a little nervous. I feel proud of myself. I feel tired but hopeful. I feel calm right now. I feel motivated to learn English. I feel stronger than yesterday.
Saying these sentences actually changes mood.
Because language affects emotion. When you speak positively, you feel stronger.
What if someone asks, "How was your day?"
You can answer emotionally. My day was productive. My day was stressful but good. My day was relaxing. My day was challenging, but I learned a lot.
That sounds much better than "it was fine."
Exactly. Fine ends conversation. Feelings continue conversation.
I realize now when I know feeling words, conversations become easier.
Yes, because emotions create connection. People remember how you made them feel, not just what you said. Sarah, listeners, here's a small challenge for you. Right now, pause for 1 second. Ask yourself silently, how do I really feel today? Then answer it in English. Even one word is enough.
Maybe you feel hopeful. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel inspired.
Whatever it is, say it. Your voice matters.
Whatever it is, say it. Your voice matters.
And that is the goal. Not perfection, progress.
Progress over perfection. I love that sentence.
Keep it in your heart. Sarah, listeners, remember this. You don't need thousands of words. You need the right words at the right moment.
Speak daily. Even small sentences count.
Before we end, ask yourself one more time. How do you feel right now compared to the beginning of this episode?
I feel stronger, clearer, more ready.
And that's growth.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Keep speaking, keep feeling, keep learning.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs confidence in English.
Until next time, speak with courage and express your true self.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.